Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you hide your followers or followings list on Instagram. So first of all, what does that mean? So for example, if I search for somebody's account here, for example, let's consider this music artist is really good. Now this is a public account, right? So if I tap followers, I obviously can see the followers. If I go to the followings, I can see the following. But in some cases there can be private accounts, like I don't know what private account to search for right now, but honestly you can find any private account, and once you press that, you won't be able to see the followers or the following in there. So what do we need to do if we want to change that is that we go to our settings by tapping on the top right bars that we see, and then we're gonna go to our settings, and then we're gonna go to our account, and then we're gonna switch account type maybe. Nope, that is not it. It should be in privacy somewhere. Yeah, there's privacy, and now I can turn on this private account feature, and creators can be private. It says my account is a creator's account, so it cannot be converted into private account, but you can always switch to a personal account, and for personal accounts you can go check this option on, and your account will be private and no one will be able to see your followers or followings list unless they follow you. So if you do not want someone to see your followers, just make sure you remove them as your followers. You can also do that by going to your followers, and then you can always remove the followers. So that is pretty much all you needed to know, or that is pretty much all there is to it. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.